A few weeks ago, I did something embarrassing. I was on a client call, nodding along, saying, "Yep, totally, we'll handle that." And the second the call ended, I realized I had no idea what I just agreed to. None. I'd been so busy looking like I was listening that I hadn't actually captured a single thing. And the notes I did have? Three sentences in a random doc I never found again. If you've ever finished a meeting and thought, wait, what did we actually decide? This video is for you. Because I found a way to never have that moment again. And I want to show you exactly how I use it. Not a feature tour, the actual workflow that saved me probably 6 or 7 hours a week. The tool is called TickNote Cloud, and yes, it records and transcribes, but that's honestly the least interesting part. The interesting part is what it does after the meeting. It turns the whole conversation into stuff you can actually use. Reports, slides, follow-up emails, even a research deep dive. Let me just walk you through a real one. So here's the thing most people get wrong on day one, and it's the reason they give up. Before you record anything, make a project. Don't just hit record into the void. A project is basically a workspace built around one theme, a client, a launch, a hiring round, whatever. I'll make one called Q1 Product Planning. The reason this matters is that the AI agent can't create files inside the raw recordings folder. So if you skip this step, you'll go to generate a report later and hit a wall. Make the project first. Everything you're about to see lives inside it. Now let's capture. I'm in a web meeting right now. And instead of inviting some clunky bot into the call, I just click the Chrome extension and hit record. Nobody on the call sees a participant has joined. It's invisible. And look, the transcript is appearing live on the side as we talk. That's the part that actually changed things for me. Because now I can just be in the conversation. I'm not frantically typing, I'm listening. Quick reminder, always get consent and follow your local rules when you record. I'll stop it. The recording lands automatically, and here's the smallest step that ties everything together. I move that recording out of recordings and into my Q1 product planning project. Now it has context. It's sitting right next to every other file about this project. And by the way, it's not just live meetings. Got a voice memo from your phone? An interview recording? A 2-hour webinar? A YouTube link? Drag it into the project and it runs through the exact same pipeline. Okay, now the part that feels like cheating. This is Shadow, the AI agent. This is where your meetings stop being recordings and become something you can talk to. I'll just add the meeting right here in the chat. You can also drag and drop the file in, and then I ask for what I need. Watch, give me a 5-bullet executive summary, the key decisions, and an action items table with owners and due dates. Format, clean visual layout with clear sections, not plain text. Run it, and there, a clean recap, the decisions, who owns what, by when, without me scrubbing through 40 minutes of transcript. But here's the part that makes me actually trust it. Every single line links back to the exact moment in the meeting it came from. So it's not hallucinating. I can click and verify any of it, fully traceable. Let me push it. Turn this into a presentation, style, modern minimalist, clean white background, bold headers, concise bullet points. Format, interactive HTML, not markdown. Done. Saved as a deliverable inside the project, which means I can share it with a link or reopen and edit it anytime. Then, draft a follow-up email to the attendees with the recap and action items. Friendly tone. Ready to send. None of this is trapped in a chat window either. It's all saved as real files in the project folder. Next time I open this project, the meeting, the summary, the slides, the email, they're just there. And two more I keep coming back to. The summary and mind map is auto-generates. Instead of a wall of text, you get the whole conversation as a structure at a glance. And the deep research option. If the meeting raised something you need to dig into, it'll expand it into a full structured research report. There is even an AI podcast version if you'd rather listen back on a walk. So that's the whole loop. Capture the conversation, organize it into a project, ask Shadow for what you need, and walk away with finished work. That's the thing. I stopped copy-pasting my life away between 5 different apps. It turns conversations into stuff I can actually use in minutes, not days, and it genially gave me back most of a workday every week. And one quick thing before we wrap up. TickNote also offers a hardware device called TickNote. So if you prefer capturing conversations and ideas with a dedicated device instead of relying only on software, that's worth checking out as well. There's a free plan, so you can test the entire thing before you commit to anything. The link to try it is in the description. The exact prompts I used pinned in the top comment. Copy them, run them, make them yours. If you've ever lost track of what got decided in a meeting, give this a shot. Drop a like if it was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.